Welcome to AI Future Quest, your go-to destination for mastering AI tools and turning them into profit. In today's video, we'll dive into how you can create stunning videos using AI VideoGen to grow your YouTube channel and start earning. Stick around and let's unlock the future of video creation together. First, access AI VideoGen via the link I've placed in the description below for your convenience. Once there, click on Get Started to begin creating an AI VideoGen account. Next, click Continue with Google and select your Gmail account to enter AI VideoGen's homepage. Here we are on the AI VideoGen homepage. Now click on Generate a Video to start creating a video. In this section, there are many options to choose from. Here, click on the YouTube option. In this area, enter the main keyword for the topic you want to create a video about. Then select the video language as English. Choose the video length and then click Generate Script. The system will start generating it for us very quickly. In this area, you can adjust the video script and you can also choose and listen to different voice options.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Welcome to the future of
Welcome to the future of video.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Welcome to the future of video.
I'll select this voice and click Continue. At this step, I'll choose the video's aspect ratio as a 9:16 and select the video speed. Then click on Generate Video, and the system will start creating a professional video for us very quickly. After a short wait, the system will finish creating our video. In this section, you can edit the script, adjust the voice, edit the music, and modify captions to suit personal preferences. Now click on Preview to listen to it.
You know, I've been doing some serious research, like I Googled it once, on the top 10 healthy foods you should eat every day. Spoiler alert, it's basically a salad bar exploded in...
Amazing, isn't it? If you're happy with the video, click Download Video. You can select the video quality at 4K for the best clarity, then click Download Video, and the system will start downloading the video for us. Thanks for watching AI Future Quest. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI-powered tips to boost your YouTube success. See you in the next video, where we'll continue exploring how AI can help you level up your content creation game.